Hello, a very good morning to everyone. Dear students, in the last class we have already finished up to 4 part of the question number 5. Now question number 5, fifth part. Only how to remember in this part, question number fifth part and example number 15. Example number 15 and this question both are of the same type. Only these two questions we will do a different method. Okay dear, because I have already told you every time first we will convert in sine and cos. Okay dear, so only in this question what we have to do, look at, we want to prove that cos a minus sine a plus 1 upon cos a plus sine a minus 1 equal to cosec a plus cot a. It is already given in sine and cos. So what we will do? So it is very difficult to think, but one thing, look at how we can convert cos and sine in cosec and cot. Yes, cot mean dear cos by sine or not, and sine is cosec. Cosec is always 1 by sine. Everyone know? Look at. So now we want to convert cos in cot and cosec. So how can you convert? If we have cos upon sine, we can write in cot a or not? So but here, can we divide numerator? It is x, it is 8, it is suppose 9. Can we divide and multiply by same number? Can we multiply numerator and denominator by same number? Same as it is. Can we divide numerator and denominator by same number? Why not? Yes. There is no, whenever dear we will add, subtract or multiply by the same number, answer will not be affected. Look at, can we write 8 first and 4 multiply 8 into 2 and 9 into 2. 2 cancel 2 again. 8 by 9 also. Understand or not? So we can divide numerator and denominator by same number. The answer does not affect. Okay. So look at cot a. How can you write? So cos divided by sine. If you want to convert in cot, so we need cos by sine. But here only cos. Okay. So you will write dividing numerator and denominator by what? Sine a. We can divide or not? Yes, of course. 8, do you know 8 by 4 equivalent fraction? Do you know we can divide numerator and denominator by same number? We can multiply numerator and denominator by same number. Answer does not affect. Same as it is, we divide. So we dividing numerator and denominator by sine a. What is meaning? But in numerator how many terms? 3 terms. Okay. It is given. Look at here. Cos a minus sine a plus 1a and dividing by sine a. We will write like this one. No. We will use this sign. It is dividing all terms. Okay dear? Understand or no? And it is meaning cos a divided by sine a. Look at, if I write 3 plus 4 plus y divided by 2, it is meaning 3 divided by 2 plus 4 divided by 2 plus y upon 2. Yes, 2 is LCM. It is become or not? Same as it is meaning sine is dividing cos also, sine also and 1 also. So look at, if I write cos divided, so can I write direct cos a dividing cos a divided by sine a minus sine a upon sine a. We can write or not? Plus 1 upon sine a. Understand? Same as it is here. We have to divide. Here we divide only numerator. Now this sign, big sign. It is or not? Now dividing denominator by sine a, same number, sine a minus sin A divide by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Now look at here. Everyone know cos A by sin A is always cot A. We know now. Now let's look at cot A. We find cot A. Sin A divided by sin A. How much? 1. Sin A by 5 by 5. 1 6 by 6. Because angle is also same. Plus 1 upon sin A. Sin is a reciprocal of cosec A. Now look at cosec A is also become same as it is here. Cos A by sin A, cot A plus 1 plus 1 plus, sorry, it is I think minus. Oh, it's plus. In the question is given plus minus. Okay, plus and it is minus cosec A. Oh, understand? You can write direct. No need to write this step. Dividing numerator and denominator by sin A. Cos A by sin A, cot. Sin by sin, 1. 1 by sin, cosec. Cos by sin, cot. Sin by sin, 1. Understand? Direct you can write. Otherwise, if you don't understand, you will use this one. Okay, dear? So now what we will do? Look at. In the question also we have given a hint is given. What is? Using the identity cosecant square. It is this identity. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Look at here. Can I write cot A now plus cosecant A? Can I write first? 4 plus 5, can we write 5 plus 4? Yes. So cosecant A will write first. Now minus and now bracket. And using identity. One value, because these are value in cot and cosec. So one value we will take a identity in which 1 in the form of cot and cosec. It is 1 is always cosecant square A minus. Only this step you have to remember in this question. Example number 15 also and in this one. Okay, we will use the value of 1. Okay, minus cosecant square A minus cot square A, dear. Can we write or not? Can we write? Same as it is, write the denominator. No need to change anything in the denominator. Only now, if you understand this step, answer, the question is solved. Look at now it is become A square minus B square. Okay, dear? Always use identity. You will write 1 equal to this one. You will write in question. Okay? Next is, dear, look at cot A plus cosecant A and now minus. Look at it is formula of, I am writing here, A square minus B square is always A minus B, A plus B. So it is minus here and use bracket like this one and now bracket. A minus B, cosecant A minus cot A and close in bracket. A minus B into A plus B, cosecant A plus cot A. Any problem is there? No? We only open the formula. Nothing we have to do. Now, same as it is, denominator. Cot A plus 1 minus cosecant. Now, dear, you have to identify. Look at, there is any common? Identify. It is a one number, cot A plus cosec A. It is suppose 5 minus bracket. It is cosecant minus cot A, suppose 2 multiply cosec A plus cot A. Cot A plus, both are same or not? Suppose it is also 5. What is common is there? 5 is common. 5 common. What is remain? 1 minus 2. Understand or not? So we will identify here common. What is common? What is common? Very simple. It is a one term. 1, 2, 3 term. So what is common? Cot A plus cosec A. Cot A plus cosec A. So cosecant A plus cot A, and we took common this one. So what is remain here? 1. Now look at minus sign, and after it is common we will take common. What is remain? This one. And whenever minus sign is given, always you will use a bracket. Very important. So 1 minus cosecant A minus cot A. Because here minus is multiply both number. Sign is change or not? Negative into positive? Negative. Negative into negative? It is become positive. Okay dear? Now our answer will identify. Look at cot A plus 1 minus, yes, only now open it, cosecant A plus cot A dear. Now look at, open the bracket. Minus sign mean minus 1. 1 minus negative into positive, negative. Cosecant A minus cot A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Yes. Have you identified answer? Cosecant A plus cot A. Cosecant A plus, yes. And this one cancel. Arey yaar, it become positive now. Negative into negative, positive. Now 5 multiply by some number. 5 multiply now, and look at this one and this one both are same. Yes. 1 positive, yes. Cosecant negative, yes. Cot A is positive. All are same. Okay dear. So it means this one and this one both are same. So can we cut? Yeah. This one cancel this one. What is remaining? Cosecant A plus cot A. It is left hand side equal to right hand side. It little bit confusion I think is there, but there it is very easy. Okay, only example number 5 example number 15 and part number 5 you have to remember it. Use the value of 1. Okay dear. First look at again. View of the that we have to prove that it is equal to cosec A plus cot A. So how can we change? So cos A by sin become cot na. So dividing numerator and denominator by sin A. Cos by sin, sin. It is become cos by sin, cot. 1 cosec A. This one. Okay. Now only 1 in numerator we will use identity. 1 is equal to cot A plus cosecant minus sin, and 1 is always equal to cosecant square minus cot square. Okay. Now it is become A square minus B square. Open it. A square minus B square. A minus B into A plus B. From here we observe that cot A plus cosec A. Cot A plus cosec. It is a common. What is remain here? 1 in place. Minus and always use bracket. Open it and now it is cancel this one. So it is our answer. Okay dear. So note down it please dear. Now dear, example number 15. What is given? Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Same as it is. We have to convert in 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Again, already in sin and cos, but we want to change in tan. So tan, how can we change? Tan is always sin theta upon cos theta or not? So it means we have to divide sin upon cos. So dividing numerator and denominator cos theta. Sin by cos tan. Cos by cos 1. 1 by cos sec theta. Okay dear. Cos is a reciprocal of sec. Same as it is this one. And same as it is question number 5th part. We will use here using of 1 identity. What is identity? Secant square minus tan square. In place of minus 1. So here it become tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 identity. Secant square minus tan square. It is A square minus B square. So sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta. Denominator is as it is. Okay. Same as it is. Here we know sec theta plus tan. Sec plus tan. And here also sec plus tan. It is common. It is become 1 minus same as it is. And your answer will come in the last dear. What is same as it is come. It's become here because cosec, तो इनकी sec theta plus tan theta is become. But now you will observe that. But sir, on right side, so 1 upon. So what we will do? Nothing. Only we have to focus on right hand side. We need in the denominator sec minus tan. Sec theta plus tan theta. It is we have already find. Okay. But in denominator we need, can we multiply and divide by same number? Multiply and divide by same number or not? Because we need in denominator sec minus tan. Sec minus tan. Now it is formula a plus b, a minus b. Secant square theta minus tan square theta. What is? 1. The 1 upon this one. Again it is this identity become. Okay. So please do yourself this one. Okay. So example number 15 also you have to do. Look at here, sixth part. Under the root 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a equal to sec plus tan a. So whenever dear, one thing always remember, whenever there is a under the root, so first our focus on remove the under the root. In every question always we will remove the square root now. So always first we will remove square root. And square root how can we remove? Always using of rationalization. Do you know in the 9th class by what is rationalization? Find the rationalization of 2 plus root 3. Multiply and divide by, rationalize the denominator, mean what is in the denominator, only change the sign. It is here positive, change sign. 2 minus root 3 and 2 minus, multiply and divide by same number. Answer is not effective. Okay, rationalization mean dear, if we are taking rationalization of denominator, so we will check it. What is denominator? 2 plus root 3. So change the sign and multiply and divide. Okay dear, why? Because dear, if we will change sign, a plus b, a minus b. That's why always it is become, because if we don't sign change, so it is a plus b whole square formula. But if we change sign, it is formula become a plus b and a minus b, and it is very useful. Okay dear. So whenever under the root sign is given, what we will do? First step, rationalization of denominator. So you write rationalization of denominator. In 9th class we have already learned this. Have you remember? Look at. First we will use big sign. This. Why? Because 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus. Why dear? Look at. Multiply. Rationalization mean change the sign only. 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a. Yes. What you are observing? A plus b. A plus b. A plus b into a plus b how much? A plus b whole square. X into x. X square same as it is. 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin. Both are same or not? So a plus b into a plus b. A plus b. So 1 plus sin a and it's a square and it is under the root. Under the root, numerator also, denominator. You can write separately also. Why not? Yes. A upon b to the power m whole power. It is meaning a to the power m, b to the power m. Here power is how much? 1 upon 2. So same as it is. Now we will write. Observe that dear. A minus b. A plus b. So you will write a plus b. A minus, okay, it's okay. A minus b, a plus b. It is a square minus b square, a minus. Because every time we are, if we are taking rationalization of denominator, then denominator become a square minus b square. If we will take the rationalization of numerator, so change the sign. 1 plus, so 1 minus sign, okay dear? Then numerator become a square minus b square. Okay, you can take the rationalization of numerator also. Answer will come same. Okay, dear. So look at. So now under the root. Now what is a square? A square mean 1 square minus sine square a. Very simple. Look at. Yes. Can we cancel square to this one? Yes. If it like this one given 1 square plus sine square a, and it is like it, suppose like this one given, we cannot cut this one. But if we will take the square of whole number, now we can cut. Okay, dear. Now what is remain? 1 plus sine a, dear, upon under 1 square minus sine square a. What is? Can I write cos square a? Yes. Remember identity. Sine square a plus cos square a is always 1. And it is 1 square mean 1. And 1 sine square another side negative. Always remember whenever square, sine square, cos square, so we will use this identity. Okay, dear? So it is become, what is 1 minus sine square is cos square. Okay, dear? Now look at. Now 1 plus sine a, dear. Now it is under the root cos square a. Now again, can we cut square root to square? Yes, again cut. So it is meaning 1 plus sine a divided by cos a. But our answer is second time. What we will do? It is meaning cos is divided 1 also, 1 by cos a, and it is also divided by sine. If we will take LCM, it is become or not? And 1 by sec is always. 1 by sec, cos is 1 by cos is always sec a, and sine by cos always tan a. So it is our formula. It is left hand side equal to RHS. Okay, dear? Please note down it. Only rationalization, and it is become upside a plus b square formula, a square minus b square, and we will use this one. Okay, dear? So please note down it. Yes, dear. Now, 7th part, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. First step is always, dear, always you will write left, taking left hand side. So sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. What we will do? We want to change in tan, dear. Look at now. What we will do? There is any common in numerator? Yes. What is common? Sin theta, and it is cube. So it is sin theta is common. What is remain? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, dear. So it is, what is common? Cos theta. What is remain here? 2 cos square theta minus 1. One thing we observe that we want to prove that equal to tan theta. Sin by cos is how much? Tan theta. It means anyhow if we will remove this one and this one, our answer is okay. We got our answer. And how can we cancel them? It is sin, it is cos. So it means either we have to change sin in cos or cos in sin, and square given and square formula. So we don't know. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know na this one. So either you change in numerator or denominator, in any one. Okay. Suppose we are changing in numerator. Okay, very good. 1 minus, and always minus 2, and after if minus sign is outside, because sin square theta is always cos square another side minus, and more than one term, and there is a minus sign, we will use of bracket. Otherwise don't worry. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. You can change denominator also. Okay, any one in which you are convenient, you can change them. Okay, look at 2 cos square. 2 multiply cos square, and cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta bracket, and now minus 1. Any confusion? No. Only using identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From this identity we can using 3 identities. Okay dear? So look at here. Now look at, only now solve them. Sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta. Now 2 into 1, 2. 2 into positive into negative, negative, minus 2 sin square theta and minus 1. Yes, sin theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos theta. 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2. Yes, both have become same or not? Yes, so you can change, convert in numerator also and denominator. Only you have to think like this one. Here is sine, here is cos. How can we change sine and cos? Because they will cut only in one case, when they both are same trigonometry ratios. Using identity. If it is square given, so we will use these 3 identity, anyone. Okay dear? And if it is sine and cos, so everyone know 6 trigonometry ratios. So now cancel. So what is sin theta upon cos theta? Sin upon tan is always tan theta. It is your answer. Left hand side equal to RHS. It is our answer. Note down it please. Now dear, 8 part, 9 and 10 part you have to do yourself. They are easy part. Now 8 part. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square equal to, we have to prove that 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Taking left hand side, and now look at what we are observing. A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. So using A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay dear? So using this one, so look at now on left hand side. So A is sine, so A square, sine square A dear, plus B square cosecant square A plus 2 into A into B. A is sine A into cosecant A plus A cos square A plus secant square A plus how much? 2 into secant A into cos A. Understand here? Understand or not? Only we have opened the formula. Now sin square A plus cos square A is always 1. So we will write sin square A, we will write together cos square A plus it is cosecant square A plus 2 into sin A into cosecant A plus cos secant square A plus 2 into secant A cos. And sin A into cos A, how much? Sin A into cos A, how much? Array sin A is reciprocal of cosecant A. Multiply sin A into cosecant A is equal to 1. 1 or not? Always remember dear, if two numbers are inverse of each other or reciprocal. Reciprocal of 7 by 5 is 5 by 7. If they are reciprocal, their multiplication always 1. If two numbers multiplication is 1, it means they are reciprocal to each other. Okay dear? So it means can we use same as it is? Sec A plus cos A 1? Yes, why not? So sec A into cos A is also 1. By this formula na? Do you know? Because cos A is equal to 1 by sec A. Sec A is multiply. Sec A into cos A is it? 1. So look at. It is how much? 1 plus. It is how much? 2. It is also 2. So you have to write using this one. Okay? Write using sin A into cosec A 1. Sec A into cos A is equal to 1. So plus what is remaining? Cosecant square A plus secant square. Now dear answer is 5 plus. But we need 7 and need answer 10 square and cot square. So we will use a formula in which tan and cot and square na cosecant square A formula. Cosecant square A, it is na cosecant square is cot square another side positive. So cosecant square is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Yes, cot. We got cot. Now plus secant square A. Secant square A formula it is tan square another side positive. So secant square A is 1 plus tan square A. Yes, 5 plus 1 plus 1 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Right? Using identity these two. So in this question we use all identities, most of them. Okay dear? So it is your answer. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Always using identity here. Okay? And writing bracket always identity. Which one identity you are using? Okay dear? So you can write cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So note down it please. Now dear, 9th and 10th part. It is 9th part. It is very simple. We have to prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. What we will do? Cosec is change in sine. 1 upon sine and taking LCM into sec change in sine or cos. 1 by cos and taking LCM. We will solve it by after taking LCM we will get sum. Okay? Some term we will get and already given in the question hint also taking left hand side and right hand side separately. So we will take only LCM and leave it. Okay? Now we will start with right hand side because the right hand side all in sine and cos. So we will check on left hand side all are in sine and cos now. So taking right hand side sine mean tan mean sine by cos, cos by sine. Taking LCM and you will observe that left and right both become are equal. You have to do yourself. Okay? Now 10 part. 10 part no need to 1, 2, 3 is given. So out of 3 any 2 you will take. First you will take 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus cot square A equal to tan square A. Okay dear? First we will take this one and taking here left hand side. What we will do? Change in sine cos. Tan means sine by cos. It is also. Now after you will solve left hand side equal to right. Second time you will take 1 minus tan A, 1 minus tan A and 1 minus cot A whole square equal to tan square A. Now we will prove that these two are also equal. If these two are this one equal to this one and this one is also equal to this one, it means this one and this one is also equal. Okay dear? So you have to do yourself. Any 2 out of 3 any 2 you will take and prove that both are equal. Next time next 2 you will take they are equal and we will say that we have already proved it. Okay dear? So our chapter number 8 is also has been finished. Only 3 more chapter is left of in our syllabus. Chapter number 15, 11 and 6. Okay dear? Please this chapter is based on practice. If you will do more and more practice there is no confusion. And but you have to remember formulas also. Okay dear? Formulas are very important. Okay dear? and don't be confused here. Such type of question only if you write 1 or 2 step, then you will get marks answer. Okay, whatever you know, you only have to write. Okay dear. So thank you everyone, have a good day, and I hope everyone is studying regularly. Okay dear, please, okay, concentrate on your study, and thank you everyone. Okay, have a good day.